is lamb ragu. And isn't a ragu just a meat sauce? No, it's not. A ragu is all meat, a little bit of tomato, and, well, I should say mostly meat, always made with red wine. But there are some steps we can take to really create those dimensions of flavor, the layers of flavor, the complexity to it. This is not just a meat sauce. It would be sacrilege to call it a meat sauce because it's more than that. So let's really dive into it. This brown, so not just cooked through, and that's normally what we do when we're making a meat sauce. We'll put the ground meat in the pan and we'll cook it, right? And then we'll add our other ingredients and we'll make our sauce. But I really want to brown this. This is our first opportunity to create that layer of flavor in this ragu. Creating that nice crust on those granules of meat. And I'm there, I'm happy. Look at that. I mean, that's just beautiful, isn't it?